Hello everyone and welcome to EMF Aerial Imagery. This video today is about the Diode Dynamics SS3 DOT street legal amber fog lights and the XPR model reverse lights. Having had a couple situations this winter where the factory lighting on my F150 has been substandard, I wish I could have seen better. I began researching fog lights that are out on the market and never really gave much thought, being an 80s child, of going back to yellow because, quite frankly, that was all the rage back in the day. Anyway, I found Diode Dynamics. I Googled and researched them, YouTubed them, you know, the typical. And their YouTube channel is phenomenal. They do scientific testing on all their lights against all their competitors. And really the bang that you get for your buck versus the light output versus what everyone else is getting is presents an unimaginable value for what you get. Quality constructed, made in the United States. As you'll see here, the fog lights are fantastic. I was driving in an open field that had some snow, some clear. So the snow really gives you a good idea of how well that lights up. Also, you'll notice the reverse lights are brighter than the headlights are on this thing. So I'm happy about that. I can actually see what's behind me when I'm backing up. And my backup camera doesn't go into the funky night mode. It stays in color the entire time. So you know that they're pretty stinking bright. I decided on the yellow based on their advice that you can actually see better and it reflects less off of particulate in the air. So fog, snow, rain, dust, smoke, whatever. The installation of the driving lights, fog lights, are pretty straightforward. It goes right in place of the factory fog lights. I elected the installation method that didn't remove the bracket, the factory fog light bracket. With just a stubby screwdriver, you get back in there and pop the tabs. There's a couple YouTube videos on how to do that that you can find with a quick search. It took a little bit of doing, but I got them without much effort. They fit in fantastic. As far as aiming goes, my experience was there was very little up and down movement, so I pointed them all the way down, tightened them up, and left them there. The reverse lights are even easier. You pop out 2 screws, pops out the backlight, the tail lights on the truck. You undo the reverse light bulb, pop their bulb in, put it all back together, and you're done. As long as you have a little bit of patience and mechanical aptitude, you won't have any trouble with any of it. Again, this is the Diode Dynamics SS3 LED fog light kit for 1520 F150 Pro level. They've got a sport level, a pro level, and I think it's extreme, which is not street legal. It exceeds the 12,000 lumen limit. These are 11,900, so you'll be able to see. Also, the backup LEDs are the XPR, the 700 lumen version, so you can definitely see what's behind you. Check out Diode Dynamics. If you could do me a favor, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. And if you would subscribe, and I will continue making content, comment on what you like, what you dislike. I'm new at this. I'm just starting out. I'm trying to put out, I don't know, a video a week on some content or another that I particularly find to be interesting. Hopefully you do too. So the only way I'm going to know that this is useful information is for your input. So I appreciate it, and thanks for watching.